Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated process of adding or changing your city on LinkedIn using your PC. It's a simple tweak that can significantly enhance your profile's visibility, especially if you've moved or want to target opportunities in a specific location. So, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to LinkedIn's website and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a small profile icon with me underneath it. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. In the drop-down menu this time, instead of going directly to View Profile, we're taking a slightly different route due to a recent update in LinkedIn's interface. Click on Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all the controls for your account's privacy, settings, and preferences. Don't worry, it's still super easy to find what we need. Once you are on the Settings and Privacy page, you'll notice a left-hand sidebar with different categories. Look for and click on Account Preferences. This section lets you manage various aspects of your account, including your name, location, and industry. Now, under the Profile Information section, you'll find an option labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Click on it. This will take you to a page where you can edit these key details of your LinkedIn profile. Here, you'll see your current name, location, and industry listed. To change your city, simply click on the Location section. A text field will appear, allowing you to type in your desired city. As you type, LinkedIn will provide suggestions based on recognized locations, making it easier to find the correct one. Once you've selected the correct city, double-check that everything is accurate. Then, and this is crucial, make sure to hit the Save button. This ensures that your changes are applied and visible on your profile. If you don't save, all your effort will be for naught. And that's it. You've successfully updated your city on LinkedIn. This small change can make a big difference in who sees your profile and the opportunities that come your way. Keeping your location current helps recruiters and connections find you based on where you are or where you're looking to work. So, take a moment to update your profile and make sure all your information is current. It's these little details that help you stand out and make the right connections. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Good luck with your professional endeavors.